So welcome back to another edition of Indian Economic Development, Class 12. So today I'm going to talk about the Indian handicrafts. How did they come to an end? How did they decay? What led to their disintegration? How did they finish off? It was a systematic plan, and that's what we'll be doing. What are the causes that led to the decay of the handicrafts? That's what we will do. Please, while I'm talking, please look at this. The decay or the downfall of the Indian handicraft. These are the points. These are the causes that I've written. These are the general causes that we discuss. So the main factor responsible for the decay of Indian handicrafts are as follows, as you see. Number one, the British rulers went for discriminatory tariff policy. That means taxes. Tariffs are taxes, especially when you're getting in trade, when you're doing trade. So under this policy, imports to India were made tariff free. So taxes were not imposed on them, while heavy tariffs were imposed on the export of Indian handicrafts. So then what happened? So export became very difficult. Nobody wanted expensive exports from here. So that was one. Second, we had a lot of, हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे राजा रजवाड़े हुआ करते थे. छोटी छोटी प्रिंसिपैलिटीज़ थी, बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे राजा रजवाड़े थे, जो कि उनका एक था कि उनके जो वस्त्र थे, जो उनकी पहनावा था, it was really rich. So what happened was, when the Britishers came in, there was this disappearance of these princely courts, जैसे नवाब्स, राजाज, सारे ये नहीं रहे. तो क्या हुआ कि इनको ये लोग बहुत प्रोत्साहन देते थे. They were encouraged. They wanted their products. Handicrafts was very popular. In fact, दबके की कढ़ाई and all that, on their they would just take that. So all that came to an end. So state patronage to Indian handicrafts came to an end once the Britishers came. And another cause was that the competition between the machine-made goods was too much for them, which means they could not face the increasing competition of British machine-made goods. Machine-made goods were definitely more cheaper as compared to the handmade goods. So that also was one reason. And then one more thing was that they had developed good means of communication, the railways, which made marketing of these British goods possible to every place in India. So that is how the size of the market for the low-cost British goods expanded, and that of Indian products contracted. So machine-made goods and cheaper goods, well, they were much in demand. And another thing was, there was a new class of people in India who loved the foreign influence. I mean, they loved the British goods as compared to the Indian goods because of the foreign influence. And of course, so there was a change in the pattern of demand. So with this, we see that how the handicrafts of India, which was so renowned, came to an end. This led to their downfall.